Hi! In front of me is ZTE A53 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Now you need to access Text Correction section, and as you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!